Hello class, this is Ms. Ramirez, and I will be showing you my interactive bulletin board. I chose Padlet just because I didn't have the materials for me to make a physical board, and I've never worked with Padlet, so this was fun. So first of all, my students will start here and read the directions. They will first watch the YouTube video on weather and weather patterns. I provided the link. I've also posted it right here. And students will look up the weather for an entire week. They will chart the temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then on Thursday, they will have to make a prediction based on the weather forecast from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. They would do the same thing for Friday. I also provided them with the definition of what prediction is. And then on Friday, they are weather reporters, so they will have to create a flip grid of them reporting out the weather for any day of the week that they choose. And in their report, they have to include the temperature of the day, the wind conditions, and they must state if it's sunny, windy, rainy, or cloudy. I've also created a template for them to follow. And I posted the link for the Flipgrid and an example of me reporting out the weather.
Hi, this is Ms. Ramirez, your local weather reporter. Today's temperature is 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
So that's just a little snip of it. And then when they're done, they should upload their work and submit right here. On my little second Padlet, I just recorded myself reading the directions for my students, and they could just watch it here.
Hello, students.
And my bulletin board information. It's kind of slow, but I do have it. Let's see. I have it. Oh, there it goes. So I have the title of my bulletin board and then the direct link for the Padlet. The subjects for my bulletin board are designed to use in a math and science classroom. The grade level is second grade, and I provided the TEKS. For my math is data analysis. The student applies mathematical process standards to organize data to make it useful in interpreting information and solving problems. The student is expected to draw conclusions and make predictions from information in a graph. And my science standard, it's Earth and Space. The student knows that there are recognizable patterns in the natural world and amongst objects in the sky. The student is expected to measure, record, and graph weather information, including temperature, wind conditions, precipitation, and cloud coverage in order to identify patterns in the data. The materials that they need, the topic, and then the directions. I've also posted the directions in my Padlet. And if you scroll down, this is the worksheet that I created for them. And they will chart the temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then by looking at the temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, they will make a prediction of what the temperatures will look like on Thursday and Friday. My prediction for Thursday weather is that. My prediction for Friday's weather is that. And then I've also typed in what a prediction was. So basically, they record Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays temperature. When it's Wednesday, they will make a prediction based on the pattern that they see from the weather on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and write a prediction of the weather for Thursday right here. When Thursday comes, they will look at the prediction and then they will look up the weather easily. They could just go to Google and type in what is the weather today, and it gives you all the information. They will go ahead and graph it, and was their prediction right? Were they close? And they will do the same thing for Friday. If you scroll all the way down, you will find the Flipgrid information where their weather reporter for your local news station and they have to create a Flipgrid video. They have to include the temperature, the wind conditions, and if it's sunny, cloudy, rainy, or windy. Provided them with the link and they can watch me report out the video. I did create this little small template for them to use so they could read off when they record themselves, and they have to watch their classmates' videos and leave them a comment. This is just the worksheet. I do not know why my computer is so slow, but this is what it looks like. But yes, you saw it on the previous little snip of the recording. This is just the first video that they will watch, how to be a weather watcher, and then they learn about how to tell patterns based on the weather. This Padlet is just of the directions of what they're going to do first, like charting the temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This is the Flipgrid, and this is where they'll submit all their work. And that is it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed my little classroom, and thank you for watching.